Hi guys, I hope you all are doing so well. Today I want to share with you how I made this super delicious puff puff recipe, which you can use 3 major ingredients to achieve this, and the rest is totally optional. You are going to love this recipe, so kindly sit back and enjoy this delicious puff puff recipe. And so if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do subscribe and be part of this beautiful family. Let's get started. So to my mixing bowl, I'll go ahead and add in my 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I'll list everything I use in the description box for you to check it out. To that, I'm going to add in my instant yeast. I'm using instant yeast for this recipe. You can also use activate yeast, it works better. Okay, to that I'll add in a salt to taste, vanilla essence, and for the flavor you can choose to add in any flavor that you prefer. Okay, all right, so the second major ingredient for this recipe is going to be my condensed milk. Use any brand at all of your choice. And so today I'm not going to add in any sugar, any nutmeg or whatsoever. The condensed milk is going to do the magic for me today. So sit back and try this recipe. You are going to love it. So now I'm going to mix my dough very well until I get the consistency that I'm looking for. You can also add in water if the recipe requires for it. And remember not to add in too much water, because we don't want this puff puff to be very watery. We want it in between, so be mindful of how you add in your water. Okay, mix everything together and see how stretchy and smooth the dough came out. This is the consistency that I'll be going for. This is just perfect. So I'm going to cover this and allow it to rest for about 30 to 1 hour. And remember, I'm using instant yeast, so 30 minutes should be okay for me. And if you are still watching this video at this point and you haven't liked this video yet, baby, what are you waiting for? Kindly do like this video and please do share as well. Thank you so much for doing that. All right, so after 30 minutes the dough has doubled in size very well, and that is what I am looking for. So right now I'm going to whisk it a little bit to reduce the air in it a little bit. Then we go ahead and fry a puff puff. And so today I'm using the catch and throw method. You can use any method that you prefer. I have a puff puff recipe on how you can scoop and drop your puff puff in 6 different ways, with or without using your hands. So I'll drop the video link in the description box for you to check it out. Alright, so now I'll go ahead and fry my puff puff. So I'm testing if the oil is very hot. Make sure the oil is very hot before you drop in your puff puff, and as soon as you start dropping it in, reduce the flame to low medium heat so it doesn't burn easily or it doesn't cook easily, because we want to achieve the perfect golden brown color so that the inside and the outside of this puff puff will fry beautifully. Okay, so now let's fry this until it turns into the perfect golden brown color that we're looking for. And so let me use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new babies right here. You guys are too much. High five to everyone. Thank you for liking my videos, sharing and commenting on my videos, fam. I am truly grateful. And if you haven't subscribed yet, baby, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so now the puff puff has turned into the perfect golden brown color that I will be going for. It's looking just perfect and I love how it turned out. Okay, so now let's remove this batch and continue frying until everything is nice and ready. Okay fam, let me know in the comment section what you think about this puff puff recipe. It's so easy to put together and you will love the outcome. Trust me, you are definitely going to love it. So kindly try this recipe and thank me later. Alright, so now let's fry this until everything turns into the perfect golden brown color, just like this. So fam, if you have these ingredients, your flour, your yeast and your condensed milk, you are going to achieve this beautiful outcome. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are a proud foodie member. And if you haven't turned on the post notification bell, kindly do so and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you for watching.